Hi, hello, welcome back. I know something is missing on my face right now, and it's my brows. It's my brows. They look a little lighter because I haven't done them yet. So I'm gonna walk you through how I do my brows right now. And I say right now with great emphasis because I shaved the ends of my brows off. Now, it is up for debate if it was a good decision or a bad decision. Most times I feel like it was a really good decision because it makes my brows like more straight, more angular, and I like that. I like that like kind of harshness to it. If you don't want to shave your brows, don't. But if you're questioning it, I mean, you could do it if you wanted to. So I'm gonna go in with two new products today actually and tell you about what I've been using before. If you have seen me talk, number one, if you saw my favorites video, this was definitely in it. So also, hi. I guess if you're new here and you haven't seen any of my videos, hi. I'm CourtneyQuarantine. Welcome to my channel. Hi. I am a full-time content creator and I make makeup videos and stuff on the internet. So yeah, I'm happy to be here, but I want to talk about this. So I did a video on this NYX Lift and Snatch, which I love. This little pen is wonderful. If you want to see my reel on that, it's on my Instagram. I also talked about this in my last YouTube video on my favorites, and kind of just, I think I slightly walked through what I did with them, but anywho, I love this so much. However, I know that it is running a little bit low on me because I've been using this for a couple months now, and I do believe it's actually been a couple months. I love this thing. It's $12. It's fantastic. But I did get something in the mail from Melt, and I love Melt Cosmetics. Melt Cosmetics, if you ever see this, or if literally anyone from the Melt Cosmetics team ever sees this, I doubt that they will, but if they do, I love you so much. Oh my God, you're all so sweet and wonderful, and I love your makeup. Okay, anyway, this is the Perfectionist Brow Pen. It says it's ultra fine. I have heard wonderful things about this. So I do know that the price point is probably drastically different than the NYX one. However, it might last longer. It might have a better quality. The brush tip might be finer. I don't know. Let me look up the price actually really fast. Melt Cosmetics Brow Pen. Brow Pen. $24 at Sephora. That is not cheap. So it's literally double the price. This better rock my socks off. Don't say that. Oh my God, that little tiny, the brush looks tiny. I haven't even opened this yet, so, oh my God, hello? Throwing things. So instead of me just rambling on, oh, also I have, let me just ramble some more. Also, I have the Max Hold Clear Brow Gel that I'm gonna be trying as well, because the thing about the ends of my brows, because I've shaved them off, this one's a little more blunt over here, okay? I do realize that. I know that. They are not the same. I didn't even shave them the same. It was a moment of whew, and then I was like, ooh. Anyway, so lately I feel like the ends of my brows tend to, like, the hair just kind of curls down a little bit. I don't know if it's like how I sleep or like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna use the brow gel to kind of, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I ripped it. Also, shout out to Mel for sending this to me. Thank you. Look at it. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, cute. Okay, I'm gonna start on this side and just pray. Oh, that is tiny. It says it's universal though, and I never trust products that say universal straight out the gate. So it seems like it's like a kind of a, maybe like a warmish brown, maybe? I don't know, we'll see. Let me begin. Just gonna do what I usually do, like kind of fill in the brow, build up this part, and then extend the tail just a touch. It's different on the other side. Oh, cute. Oh, wow. Whoa, that is freaking fine. Okay, so yes, very fine tip, but I'm already wishing it was a little darker. I mean, that's cute. Maybe I can build it up. Okay, cute. Now I'm gonna do the other, wait a minute. I need to brush this brow back up. So I'm gonna just extend, fill in the brow. You know what? The tone isn't that bad. So far, so far. Extending this upwards. Honestly, I don't hate it. Let me see if I can make the other side darker. Yep, you can. Okay, that's actually important. I am happy about that. Because I was like, if it doesn't build up, if it doesn't get darker, I like a dark brow. I was gonna be a little, just a hair disappointed. Just an eyebrow hair disappointed. I'm sorry. That's pretty freaking cute. I'm just gonna go beep bop boop beep bop boop beep beep beep. Ooh, I'm excited. You see how much more angular my brow is now? If you didn't see my brows before, you probably are like, what? But oh my gosh, I love it so much. Just keep going in these little tiny little, very fine, tiny little brush. I kind of like that you can build up the color. That's actually quite nice. A little bit more versatile. Versatile. Cute. I like this a lot. I'm very interested to see how long this lasts me. Just because, does it say the amount? 0.55 grams. What is the other one? 0.55 grams. This is, oh wait, I see. This one is 0.03 fluid ounces. This one is 0.019 ounces. Dang, so you get even more in the next one? Melt. That's expensive. I'm gonna let them kind of dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna brush through them ever so slightly, and then I'm gonna add this brow gel in. But while they kind of dry and do their thing, let's look at the brow gel. Ooh, first of all, packaging. I love that. Max hold. Clear brow gel. Okay. That is what the wand looks like. So it's a little bit curved, and that is the gel on it. And obviously, since it's clear, it will dry down. I'm hoping, obviously. Quickly just brush up my brows a little bit. Kind of brush the product through them. That is effortless. I love that. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. Same with the other eyebrow. Very into that finish. Really like that. Ooh. Okay, now for the brow gel. Can you, what? I think the other side is used to more like push the brows once you brush through them. So I'm just gonna slightly comb through them. Take them up a little bit. Hair, don't try to sabotage me. Am I getting any brow gel on it? Okay, yeah. Ooh. So far, so freaking good. Oh, look at that. Okay, other side. I'm gonna like kind of put it down and then brush through it. Oh, maybe that's what it's meant for. Ooh, I kind of like that. I will tell you right now, it feels like max hold for sure. I'll let you know in the comments or like the description or something like how that, oh, how it wore. All right. But right now, I already, like this side already feels like it's dried. Dang, okay. So far, yes to the brow gel. That already feels like, without feeling too crunchy. Again, I think the thing that is going to determine if like I actually like this is the wearability, how long I can have this on, if it's going to get crunchy, if it's going to get weird, you know, all that stuff. Let me go ahead and pop a lip on really quick and I'll be right back. Hi. Oh, did you just wake up from my nap again? Oh, my cute little baby. A cute little baby. This is Pete. Pete is my cat. She is the best. I love her so much. I can't kiss you right now because I have the clothes on. I love you. I love you so much. Oh, I love you so much. Okay, I know. You want to stay with me? Oh, okay, you gotta go. Okay, so I know that wasn't a super long video, but hopefully maybe you found that helpful, or if you also like shaved your brows recently, just like a little something to use or something to do. I find that brow pens, specifically that NYX one, was like the first one. I've tried brow pens in the past. The first one that I felt like was really, really good, really worth it, and really wore well. To me, even if something like, let's say it was less than $12, let's say that there's like a brow pen that's like $7, that's great. But if it's $7 that I'm wasting because it's not a good product, then to me that's not worth it to buy. And I know some people that's my price range, totally understandable. I would rather wait. I watch sales like a hawk because, like, listen, makeup is expensive, okay? I know it's not new, but I watch sales like a hawk. I watch when they do like free stuff. Ulta and Sephora, it's kind of just something I've always done, shopping sales. I don't know, but I will say it is worth it to wait in some cases for something like that, obviously with like availability and things like this, and accessibility. It's not for everyone, which is a super huge bummer. I wish everyone could have access to all makeup because it's so fun, and that's a whole other thing. Anyway, so if the $12 like NYX one, if you're like, heck yeah, I'm gonna try this, first of all, heck yeah, you should try this. Just, oh my god, this one feels really nice. I like the like you build it up kind of thing. I think it would be a little annoying if someone has like, if they want like black brow pen, like if they want it to be very, very dark, building it up is not as like time efficient. So if you were to get like espresso, I don't even think is the darkest shade in this, and that's the one that I use, which is pretty dark, but it's not like dark. So anywho, I really like both of these. I think I will continue to use this one. Obviously, as this one runs out, I will probably use this more and more. I do the amount difference, again, we're talking like teeny tiny little bits. It's not that much. I think this is 1 mil. I don't even know how many mils this one technically would be. I don't know. I love Melt. I love their stuff. I don't think there's anything really that I've tried from them that I've been like, I think their lip liner's a little bit more dry than lip liner formulas I'm used to. However, I still really, really love them, and some of the tones are just unreal. Anyway, that's kind of it. I really do like this brow gel though. I will say this even feels more oomphy to me than like the ABH clear one. Let me see what the price is. Okay, yeah, the Melt Cosmetics Perfectionist Brow Gel is $25. Dang, that is really expensive. But the Anastasia one is $22. Still, we'll see. I really like the applicator. I think if you're someone who wants to like laminate your brows, kind of get that effect, you can do that with the other side of the wand. So that's really cool. That's something to think about if you're looking for something that's not in a pot and you just want it in the tube. Here you go. Anywho, I will keep trying all this stuff, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you how I do my brows after I've shaved the ends of them. You can see here actually where my eyeliner is. My eyebrow literally grows down to here, so I shaved off like that bit. And so far, I would say I'm pretty happy with it, but I'm still getting used to it, so I'm like, Anyway, that is all I have for this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to comment your favorite brow thing, I want to hear. I want to know, is it the NYX Lift and Snatch, or is it something different? As always, if you are on my page, I use cruelty-free makeup here, 100% cruelty-free, so yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I am so happy to be making another video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Anyway, as always, I hope you all are doing well, taking care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!